Today, I'll be sharing with you a fun pair of Peep-Toe booties from the Charles David collection featuring lace and sequin uppers. If you're planning your next big night out or love fun and intricately designed heels that shimmer and shine, I may have found your next pair. Please go ahead and click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the next review. Today, we will review the Charles David Camilla Booties with a 3.75-inch heel in black. If you're looking for a cool, fun, and eye-catching heel option, you don't want to miss this week's review. I must note that I'm not being paid or sponsored to review these Charles David Camilla booty heels. Let's get to it. My concerns before purchasing these heels were, would they live up to the retailer photos, and would they be wearable for day-to-day activity? Would they really be worth the $154 price tag? Could they possibly be any better than their comparable competitors at a similar price? Let's find out. Packaging. The first thing I noticed was that they were packaged in a very simple white box with black branding that was pretty much scuffed up and had some smears from shipping. I would recommend that the manufacturer perhaps choose another color for their packaging, as it can be frustrating to receive a dirty box that is scuffed when buying shoes that cost over $100 a pair. Just my thought. The shoes were wrapped in white tissue paper and separated with additional tissue paper to ensure a safe transit, so a plus there. They also featured cardboard foam inside to help hold their shape, which was a nice feature, and the material looked great when they arrived. No damage, at least not anything visible. There was no dust bag, however, included, nor any heel taps in the package that could have been useful for storage for the bag and for the heel tips to quickly replace this little guy if it were to go bad. Totally understandable for the price point. Quality. With regard to quality and construction, the Camilla heels are definitely of a good quality, made with leather soles constructed of a single piece of leather, which is great. So when I looked at the soles, I realized that they were pretty decent. They didn't have any separation or gaps, things that you might find on lower quality heels. Kudos there. The next thing that I noticed was that the stitching around the heel zipper area was already having loose threads upon receipt. I would recommend inspecting the heels if you do decide to purchase them, and either exchanging them or snipping it off. Craftsmanship. Upon first glance at these heels, I could tell that they were definitely designed for a functional type of a wear, from the arch all the way to the heel itself. They seem to be designed in a way that you could trust that they were engineered for wear as opposed to just photo op. That's definitely a plus. The embroidery and sequins are done with care and gently complement the mesh and casing of each heel. I was also very impressed with the fine stitching that was used to connect the front of the booties together with the mesh. The seams of it are very precise. That was a nice job from the manufacturers. The mesh accented by the material trim really does bring these heels to life, so I'm glad that that was a design decision. Fit. When I tried these heels on, they fit straight out of the box, which is something I do expect from Charles David based on my experience with other heels and their product lines. I'm glad that they're keeping consistent and their heels seem to fit overall. The fit around the foot is great. My feet felt secured and stable, and there was no sliding around of my foot in this shoe as can happen with booties. Plus to Charles David for that. Durability. The number one question I ask every time I embark upon a new heel purchase is, how long will they last? These heels are durable based on what I've observed so far. I would be cognizant of this mesh upper material, as it likely will break down with extended wear and use. Thought I'd put that out there. I was also concerned at first that these heels would be too fragile because of their construction. To my surprise, they actually are as rugged as a pair of booty heels can be. The sole, being a single texture, may break down quicker with exposure to rougher, consistently wet surfaces. Be cognizant of that. Style. The style is divine. They're cute, but seriously, I see these as a great party or clubbing pair of heels. They're also a cute accent piece with a pair of jeans or with any after-5 dress, or just because. I enjoyed wearing the Camilla heels with a brightly colored top and kneeling skirt. It made for a business casual look with a little personality. I like that there is the zipper on the back of the heels. Actually, pretty nice. little zipper here with a silver tab. I did not like that with each step that I took, there was this clinking noise going on because of the zipper. It also makes an additional noise to average just heel clicking. Coolness. From a coolness perspective, the tonal embroidery, the sequins embellishments, and even the mesh peep-toe on these booties, it's pretty cool. They have a very unique architectural top line and a slender stiletto heel, making them not only fun, adventurous, and edgy, but also cool for day and night wear, which is not always common for a booty heel. Versatility. It is clear that these boots can be worn just about anywhere. Anywhere you want to take them, that is. They do have a steeper heel and not a large degree of padding inside. I would say you could dress them up or dress them down. I definitely would not recommend these heels if you were planning to walk on a dirt road, up and down stairs for long periods of time, across large parking lots, as there is not a lot of padding here for you. But just be careful on the types of surfaces in which you're traversing. The sole may be slippery. Comfort. They were fairly comfortable when I tried them on. However, after walking around in them for a while, I realized that the modest padding on this inner sole just wasn't sufficient enough for me to want to be comfortable in them all day. If I intended to wear the Camilla heels from morning to night, the ball of my foot would definitely have fatigue set in. I would be looking for a pair of wedges or something else to relieve the discomfort. I put that out there just for your reference, not to say that you couldn't buy padding to put in the heels, but out of the box, it is what it is. Value. The Camilla heels are a reasonable buy if you're looking to spend a little extra money. If I were looking for a cool pair of shoes without spending $160, I may go with the Jessica Simpson Prisma heels instead. They have a taller heel and are significantly less expensive, with a similar style and a look, and comes in a cool pattern design and material. The Charles David Camilla Booty heel is surely a classic. It's also a modern take on both business and pleasure. If you're planning a night out, are bored with your current heels, then these may be the heels for you. The Camilla heels do come in approximately 2 different colors. Yes, 2 different colors. They also come in sizes 6 medium to 11 medium US. Now, let's get to my heel review scores. Packaging. I gave a 5 because, as we said earlier, they came in a basic white and black box. Style. I gave them a 7 because they are a stylish heel. Quality, a 6. Craftsmanship, a 6, because they are made fairly well, but there are some improvements that can be done with respect to the padding of the overall shoe. Coolness, an 8. These are pretty cool shoes. Versatility, 4, because while they can be worn anywhere, they just may not last long enough to be worn anywhere. Fit, a 7, because the heels fit right out of the box. Comfort, a 5, because they are lacking the necessary padding to make them feel good on your feet. Durability, 6. The shoes will last, but the soles of them may make them have less of a life because it will wear and degrade over time. Finally, value, a 5, for a grand total of 59 out of 100 points for the Camilla Booty heel. Thank you again for joining me today to review the Charles David Camilla heels in black. If you are on the fence and want a booty heel with a sexy silhouette and wearability, then these may just be for you. I've included a link in the details of where you can purchase them. If there is a pair of heels you'd like to learn more about, please comment below and you may just see them on a future review. If you enjoyed tuning into my heel review and would like to see more, click the like and subscribe button so that you don't miss the next review. Until next time.